Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, got some nice black and silver accents, that adds a nice pop to the white, with heated door mirrors. And moving to the front, we do get a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got a 12-volt outlet, lights, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, cargo cubby, and of course you do get quite a bit more storage with your spare tire, and you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, some textured bits. The seats are adjustable, you do get cloth interior, and you do get cup holders, arm space, rear vents, and a 110-volt outlet with plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with a little storage cubby with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, lights and liftgate all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 119,290 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward, phone, voice, cruise control, toggle free screen, and paddle shifters. Looking here, we can go for trip 1 and all that jazz. Trip 2, information about the vehicle, settings, and all that fun. And here we do get a gear select, parking brake, cup holders, little storage cubby, or you can slide your phone in there, USB, 12-volt, more storage here, with tons of space in your center console, with upper and lower storage, with another 12-volt down there. We got dual climate up front with heated front seats, auto stop, auto start, traction, and storage below. Radio, media, phone, menu, all that jazz, toggle free screen, hazards. You get Sirius XM with this vehicle, little keypad here, volume, tune, all that jazz. And you do get a sync system and a little storage cubby up here, and shifting into reverse, we do get that nice backup camera. I'm gonna go into our radio. Oh, I have to turn it on real quick, one sec. But you can go for your Sirius XM, different stations, your menu, such as your sync, audio, and all that jazz. Sound, you can adjust it through here, phone and media controls. You got Bluetooth, mobile app, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA95694A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.